So now let's see how we can work around with telephone and tone effect inside of HitFilm. So if I were to play this particular audio right here, this is how it sounds. But if I were to add in a telephone effect to it, then I need to go around over here in effects right here. Then I need to expand out and then go to audio right here. So once I go around over here, you can see that telephone is an effect. So if I were to click and drag this out, then the telephone effect is applied. And now if I were to press the play button, this is what you hear. So that is what you have. So apart from that, you can apply tone right here. So tone does not actually change around the audio, but it generates a tone. So if I were to press the play button, this is what you hear. You can change for square wave as well and change around the frequency as well. And that is what you hear. And that is how you can utilize the telephone and tone effect inside of HitFilm. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.